This is your girl Neffy. We're here at Spicy's Caribbean American Cuisine and Lounge, y'all. This is the hot new spot. It's banging, clean food, clean people, clean place. Everything nice and fresh. You see? And don't forget to stop by at 3990 Southwest 40th Avenue. Spicy's Caribbean American Lounge, the #1 Caribbean American restaurant here in Hallandale Beach, Florida. I'm not telling y'all no lie, y'all. Check out the jerk chicken if you not believe me. Check the jerk chicken out. And also, if you want to up and up on what's going on in the community, check Lauderdale Live, y'all. Listen, Lady Song. Oh my goodness, that's my girl, y'all. Check my girl out on Facebook. She has the latest, the up and up, what's going on in Florida, Fort Lauderdale, Miami. If you want to know any event, check Melissa Lady Song out on Facebook. Big ups to all you viewers out there, and thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, Spicy's, the #1 restaurant in Hallandale, Florida.
A stranger to my eyes, strumming my face with his finger. Oh, singing my life with his words, telling me songs.